What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am up at our Orange County yard. I just moved a bunch of our equipment out of the garage for the electricians. I have this 930G warming up right now. I have to grab this plow off of this old International here. I stopped at a local welder on my way down here, and he is going to make us a stainless mold board and take this poly one out. We got a quote for a new poly one shipped to our shop. It was like $3 grand, and he said he can beat that in stainless. The only difference is this is an 11 footer. In poly, it would be one piece. He's gonna make it in stainless, and he can only fit a 10-foot sheet in his machine that bends it. So there is gonna be a seam at like the 1 foot mark, unless he does like a 5 and a 4 foot. I'm not sure exactly how he's gonna do it. He might split it right in the middle at 5.5 feet. I don't know why I said 5 and 4, that's 9. 5.5 and 5.5. But I'm not exactly sure. Either way, he is gonna make us a mold board for this in stainless. So he'll take this old poly one off. You can see we have a mud flap up in there to stop the snow from flying through, but it cracked even more. It is pretty much cracked the entire way. Not pretty much, I guess it is. So anyway, this thing is trash. So I'm gonna take this off of this truck, load it on my trailer over there, and drop it off to him on my way home. I have a couple pins I need to take out. I'll grab our floor jack, take the pressure off. These 2 pins will slide right out. This one I could probably do right now. Let's see. All right, I need to grab a hammer and hit this. This thing is gonna fall. I wanna leave this one in and drop it here. That way we're giving him less pieces. But let me grab some tools. We'll get this off and then we'll load it on my trailer. Right here, this thing should lift pretty balanced. If it doesn't from there, I'll grab it right here. Either way, this is going to be super easy to lift out of here. that should be good. Let's hop in the machine. If it doesn't lift it balanced, we'll move it up to this piece of angle iron here. But I think, if I remember correctly, I think that is a good spot. It wants to fold on the face. Alright, good enough. I'm gonna get this thing strapped down, get the machine parked, and we are hitting the road heading to the welder. Alright guys, I just pulled up to the welder. This is Philip J. Ortiz Welding. They do a lot of nice work here. We've had them do work on a bunch of our stuff so far. And if you remember when the taillight got ripped off the first time on this trailer, I actually had him re-weld it for us. But I gotta run in and talk to him, ask him where he wants me to leave this trailer, go over a few things, but it should be pretty simple. I'm sure he'll tell me just drop it right here and he'll move it. But that is gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.